So now let's talk about widgets, because they're a lot of fun. We want to go to Appearance, Widgets. Now, widgets are the different items that show up on your site. So for instance, on the right-hand side, right now we have recent posts, recent comments, Mr. WordPress, archives, etc. We want to change those widgets out to something that's going to make sense to our site. So right now we have recent posts. So we can drag that over. We can drag it down and make it inactive. The same with any widget that we don't want to use. You can just drag them off of out of our widget area. And now we can add the widgets that we want to see at the side and at the bottom of our site. So if you wanted your WooCommerce cart in a widget on the side of your site, we could pull it to the right-hand side under Primary. If you wanted to put an ad on your site in the primary widget space, you can add an ad space widget. And I'm going to show you where you can go and get an ad. You can embed a video. You can add any of these widgets. Now, in the footer widget, we've told the system that we want 4 footer widgets. Personally, I would put 4 ads at the bottom of my website. So now, where do you go to get ads for your site? It really depends on what type of site you have. You can become an Amazon affiliate. You can go to ClickBank, which is the account I'm in right now. ClickBank has 10,000 different products that you can promote. Because my site has to do with images and photography, I typed in the keyword photography, and these are the different products that I can promote on my site. And if you go to clickbank.com, you can sign up for an account, and once you've got your account, you can search through every product that they offer. There are tons of different affiliate programs. You can look for affiliate programs that make sense to your site. Go to Google and type in whatever your site is about. Okay? And once you get those, then you would pick up your link. In ClickBank, they're called hop links. Once you get your hop link, you put it into your widget. You also need to have an image, and I will show you how to get images. Since this is a test website, I'm going to use the same ad for all 5 ads, but you wouldn't if this was a live site, because it wouldn't make sense. You want to have as many different ads up as you possibly can. It's just extra revenue for your site. And then we're going to save and close. And I would suggest once your site is up and running, you monitor the ads and make sure that they're performing for you. You can set up your widgets and you can come back and change them once you're more comfortable with navigating around the back end of your site. But for now, as long as you understand to add a widget, you pull it across. To remove a widget, pull it back to the left. Okay, so now let's go and look at our site. And there's our ad. Not all of my ads showed up. It's probably because I didn't save all of the ads. I hit close way too fast. There we go. Now I have my 4 ads across the bottom, and I have my 1 ad on the side. I have the cart on the side as well. You can add and delete widgets as often as you'd like. And that's it for widgets. Go into your control panel. Under WooCommerce, you'll see products, categories. Add your first category. Add your slug. You can make it the same as your name. Give it a nice description. Upload an image that depicts your category. Use the image and add your new product category. And you do that for every category of products that you're going to sell on your site. I'm only going to add 3 just because you don't want to sit here and watch me do data entry. So again, you add your name, your slug, a nice description, and upload an image that depicts that category as well. Select Use Image and add new product category. Go to your next product category. Put in the same type of information about that product category. Upload an image. Select Use that image. Now you can edit the images as you're doing this if you need to, and click Add New Product Category. Now that we've set up product categories, let's go and add those categories to our menu so that when people are searching for products, they can search for products by categories. So at your dashboard, go down to Appearance, Menus. The first thing you need to do is go to Screen Options and make sure Product Categories is ticked off. Go to the left-hand side, click Links. Remove the http:// from the URL. Put the # in the field. Type in Product Categories and Add to Menu. Once you've done that, click Product Categories, View All, and tick all of your product categories. And click Add to Menu. Now we can drag the product categories anywhere we want to see it on our menu. So I'm going to put mine under Shop, and we can drag the individual categories under the product categories as a submenu by pulling it to the right. You notice when I drag the product category up, it's to the left, which means it's a main menu item. Pull it to the right and it becomes a subcategory. And the same with dogs. Now, you can have subcategories under subcategories as well. If I had a product category called Animals, I could pull this over and this becomes a subcategory to the subcategory. Once you've completed that, and again, don't forget, you can always come back and change it later. Click Save Menu. Now let's go to our site, look at product categories, and here we have our product categories, and people can search by product categories. And that's it for this video. I'm only going to address digital products. If we go to WooCommerce Settings, Products, Downloadable Products, we want to force the downloads. The downloads require a login is clicked, and grant access to the product after payment and hit Save Changes. If we go to Checkout, disable Guest Checkout so that people have to be logged in order to download the product. And now let's add some products. So go up to Products, go to Add Product, put in your product title, and then you can give your product a description. My descriptions are going to be very short, but you can put in a long description and a short description of your product. If it's a digital product, you're going to click Downloadable, give it a selling price. If it's on sale, you would give it a sale price. Then you would add your file, give your file a name, and then either link it to a URL or choose the file to upload. Insert the URL, choose whether they have unlimited or limited downloads. If the download expires, you can go to Advanced and allow people to put reviews on that product. Then you would set a featured image, then add it to the correct category. You can also put in a picture gallery, add it to the right category, and hit Publish. Make sure you always update everything you do in WordPress. Add a product to go to your next product to add. Put in your product name. You can put in a long description and a short description. Since it's a digital product, you would click Download, add your file. Once you've entered everything, you're happy, you click Publish. Now you're ready to add your next product. And you would repeat this process for every product that you're going to sell on your website. And don't be frightened to add products, delete products, edit products, etc. You're better off to do it while you're setting up your site rather than waiting till your site goes live. ready for our next product. Click Add Product again. Put in your product name. Give it a long description, a short description. Select your image. Insert your image. Add it to your category. When you're happy that everything is done, hit Publish. Now let's go and look at our products, and I can show you how easy it is to edit products if you have to. You see the Black German Shepherd, I forgot to add it to a specific category. So we just go into Edit, add it to the correct category, and update it. It's pretty easy to update, edit, and delete products, so don't be frightened of just adding a product to see how easy it is to put it in, and deleting it if you have to. You can set products as featured products by clicking on the star. Now it does take a few seconds for it to change the star to blue. Once it's a blue star, that's a featured product. It takes a little bit of patience to do that. And now if we go look at our site, we can see that we have 2 product categories listed. We have 2 products in each category. If someone clicks on one of the images to buy it, they see a larger image. That's it for the beginning of entering products. I will be doing more videos on how to enter products.